that? Oh, okay. Paying attention to them, like, not hit me. Thank you. What the hell are you doing back there, dude? Why'd you shut your headlights off? Why are you speeding? A little closer, maybe? I don't know. Why? Headlights on, headlights on. What the fuck is your problem, dude? What the hell is going on here? Oh, thank you. 426-4897. Look a lot better on camera if your headlights are on. Or your lights are on. Yeah, okay. What the fuck are you doing now? Okay, we're road raging. Something the fuck's going on here. I don't know. Little closer, motherfucker. Okay, yeah. Lost in the mist now, sorry. Plus one of them caused a crash up here, which I believe was totally plausible. Right lane must turn right. Not like that. That wasn't nice. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Both ears. Yeah, now you move over, you heck heads. Sissy pants. Thanks, FL. You made no effort to stop whatsoever. Yeah. Jewel cut off? I don't know. Exit regret. You only had warning for 2 miles, you know. Ah, you suck. Could you be any fucking closer? Thank you. Don't run the red. You just run the road. Lose something? I guess so. Tie your crap down, dude. Don't hit me. Thank you. Don't run the red. You're in the red. Cute jumping turd. It's the shoulder, scumbag. How nice of you to wave after you're so fucking entitled. Oh. Mass all straight from the turn lane. was a cutoff. We're in the red. Oh boy. Hi, I was signaling douche nozzle. Don't hit me, Grandpa. Thank you. The hell are you people doing? Stay in your lane. Oh boy. Hey, 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 hey. Wake up, lady! Wake up! Wake up! Go ahead. Cut him off now. Dummy! You're a fucking dummy! She has to look at her passenger while she's speaking to them. Has to. Why are you using your hazard lane lights to change lanes? What the fuck is that? I'm so tired of the thing. Don't get. Where's Red, you scumbag? Flex ass.